Today I will introduce to you an Isuzu 45 aerial platform truck. It's mainly used for high-altitude operations such as municipal administration, gardening, and so on. It adopts left-hand drive, English LCD instrument panel, multi-function steering wheel, air conditioning and heating, electric windows. Equipped with an Isuzu 205 horsepower engine and MLD 6-speed gearbox. 5-meter wheelbase, 6.3 tons front axle, 13 tons rear axle, 295 vacuum tires. The maximum operating height is 45 meters. The stainless steel hanging basket has a maximum load of 400 kgs and can rotate 360 degrees. The 7-section 8-sided working arm can be extended and retracted synchronously, and the movement is fast. The boom is made of high-strength steel and advanced bending technology, with a high safety factor. The 3-section outriggers, front V and rear V shape. Horizontal span of 8.6 meters, longitudinal span of 8.6 meters. Computer automatically limits the working range. Install hydraulic leveling device. Ensure the truck operates within a safe operating range. The working height can be limited according to the wind speed. Emergency stop device to ensure all operations are stopped in an emergency. Installing an electric emergency pump. Even if the truck hydraulic system fails, it can get people back to the ground. Can be operated by wireless remote control. Ground mechanical control. Mechanical handle. We are a professional large truck manufacturer with 20 years of truck production experience. If you need to purchase aerial work trucks, please contact us.